These procedures are to be followed after electrical power is restored following a power failure or interruption to the FMS. This may include a simultaneous power loss to the GPS and other nav sensors. If the time span was less than 7 seconds, the FMS, with no input from the operator, will power up and display the same page that was in view prior to the power interruption. If the time span of the power failure exceeded 7 seconds, but was less than 7 minutes, the FMS will automatically power up and a power fail page will be displayed. To exit this page, press any mode key. Check the FMS position and navigation sensors through the nav pages. If the position is reasonable and the GPS is in nav, check either nav page 1 or 2 to verify the correct nav leg is entered. Monitor the GPS position until the aircraft is back on track and the winds on the nav page stabilize. If the power failure exceeded 7 minutes, you will need to press the on-off dim key. The system will run through the self-test and then display the init page. The coordinates displayed will be those at the time of power loss. Wait for the WAS to appear in the ID field and press the Accept Align Select key to accept the GPS position for initialization. If WAS does not appear in the ID field in a reasonable length of time, enter the best estimate of the aircraft's position in the lat-long field. If radial and DME from a nearby VOR is available, this can be used to initialize the aircraft position. If DME is part of the nav sensor array, the FMS will attempt to use it for navigation. Once the system is initialized and the FMS position is accepted, press the Flight Plan function key. Your flight plan will no longer be present in the flight plan pages and will have to be reinserted manually or copied from the stored pilot route. A manual leg change may be necessary to ensure the aircraft will rejoin the desired flight path as smoothly as possible. The FMS will begin navigating immediately. Previously entered fuel data under the Fuel function key will not be found intact. Following a power loss, the current fuel on board must be re-entered along with other fuel page initialization information. Loss of power will cause the FMS screen to go full bright when power is restored. Monitor the FMS position until the aircraft is back on track and the winds on the nav page stabilize.